Hey guys, welcome to the channel Taking a Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my ebook, www.themanthasethemselfonfire.com. Now this is just a quick video. A lot of you guys like, Tech, you weird, you eat anything. Really, I don't, people. Look, I'm in Louisiana, and the part of Louisiana I'm from, closer to the bayou. My grandfather raised me not to throw anything away, guys. And so a lot of people in this area don't eat the way that I eat, so don't think I'm just country punking, but I just tried to show you guys some ways how you can survive just in case you have to go back to our primate era. All right, enough talking. This is just a quick video to show you how you can make a snack. Now this is a hair farm 6-pound duck. I'm just taking out all of the innards, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I'm going to cook this duck in my air fryer in a later video. But while I was prepping the duck, you know, I want to take out the innards like the liver, the heart, the kidney, all of those good things like that. And again, guys, don't let anything go to waste. So I'm going to go ahead and make a quick dish. We're going to have some heart, liver, and kidney, duck heart, liver, and kidney, that is, with some scrambled eggs. So go ahead, sit back, and enjoy. Let's get right to it. Now the first thing I'm going to do is cut me off a piece of that duck skin. I'm not going to use any type of margarine or butter or anything. Duck skin have tons and tons of fat, and we're going to let that fat just melt down and make those nice, delicate, savoring oils in that pan. Now once we get it to where we want it, then we're gonna start adding our ingredients. But the most important thing, that you preheat your pan, guys, and just let that skin just, you know, cook a little bit. As the skin is cooking, go ahead and mix my eggs up, put a little salt, a little pepper on there, you know, start to bring out the little seasoning and bring out the little aroma into the air. Season my eggs. Alright, now as you see, it's making the little grease that we need. I'm going to go ahead and throw in my liver, my heart, and my kidneys. Now, the heart you cut off the top, I'm just leaving it in there. It doesn't bother me. And again, salt and pepper, season it up, and just keep on cooking it down, guys. Keep on cooking it down. Now, me, I like mine's a little bit undercooked. Before you say anything, guys, it have a lot of fibers and stuff in the heart and in the kidney, so you're really not taking a chance. All right, let's listen to it. Now I like to take my liver out while I cook my heart and kidney down a little bit more. I don't want to overcook my liver, guys, so that's why I take it out and I put it back in there right before I add the eggs. Let's go ahead and add our eggs to it. Add my secret ingredient, some duck sauce to it. And right about now, I low down my heat. And basically when you start to see it browning and the eggs start to get its texture, guys, you're done. Now, excuse the plate, guys. I really didn't set the plate. It's just a snack. It's about 1 a.m. when I did this. Something for me to eat. Look and cut open the liver. Well, I should say that's look inside of the liver, and you can see it's nice and pink. That's how I like to eat mine, guys. I feel like when you cook it like that, you get your best flavor. Now the kidneys and stuff like that, guys, when you're cooking it this way, it's going to be a bit chewy, a bit hard. And when you cut inside of it, you can see again it got that nice pink texture. The heart is a muscle, people. Cut inside of it, and again you can see almost like that steak like quality when you cut open to the bad boy. And let's give it a taste. That's good, man. All of those flavors come bursting out. The sweetness of the duck sauce, the salt and pepper, I mean, it's just right. This is a perfect late night snack for me, guys. Look, I'm telling you, don't knock it until you try it, man. Absolutely wonderful. Here's your boy Taking a Bathroom. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Hey guys, side note, it's the same robe that caught on fire when I was cooking last time. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.